In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly convert any photo to black and white in Photoshop using desaturate. If you need a fast, no-fuss way to remove all color from an image, maybe for a dramatic look, a print mock-up, or a quick concept, this is the simplest method. It takes only a moment and gives you a clean monochrome result without any complicated settings. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. As long as the file is open on your canvas and the layer you want to affect is selected, you're set. This method works the same whether your image is a portrait, a landscape, or a graphic. Now head to the top menu and choose Image, then Adjustments, and click Desaturate. On Windows, you can use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus U. On macOS, that shortcut is Shift plus Command plus U. The change is instant, all color is removed, and you're left with a grayscale version of your image while still working in RGB. If you want to compare before and after, you can toggle Undo and Redo to switch between the two states and confirm you're happy with the result. Here's what's happening under the hood. Desaturate reduces saturation to 0 across the board, treating all hues equally. It's quick and predictable, which makes it great for previews and batch-friendly tasks. Unlike more advanced black and white tools, it doesn't ask you to adjust color channels or apply filters. It simply strips color information and preserves the luminance relationships already in the image. A couple of practical notes to keep you confident. Desaturate directly edits the pixels on the selected layer. The history panel makes it easy to step back, and many editors work on a duplicate layer or a copy of the file, so the original remains untouched. If the image looks a little flat after desaturation, that's normal for some photos with subtle color contrast, because all hues now contribute only their brightness values. You can always refine tone and contrast later using your favorite methods, and that's all it takes. Open your image, run desaturate, and you have a